Alright, so once you get the control module off, to which this is my unit, I'm going to send this out to get repaired. I don't have a replacement, so if you have a replacement, this won't be an issue. But since I'm going to send mine to get reset and serviced, and then it'll be sent back to me, I expect it to be maybe under a week. When you go to turn on your key, in case you're like me and going to still use your car, so you get your airbag one, of course, but then you also will get your traction control off, your service your track, it's telling you to see the manual, the hills to sit is in control fault, and then we cycle back through service advanced track, hill descent will be off, door jar, of course, because I've got the door open, and then your ABS light, of course, is going to be on down below. Now, I'm just going to be real careful. I'm just going to use it going back and forth to work, so I shouldn't have any issues. I'm not going to tool around town or go take some long trip without my SRS. But most important for me, since the hill descent was off, was that the steering wheel still works. Yay! So I feel like I'm going to be okay until I get that part back. So this is what it'll look like once you get that off. So I'm going to drive it and I'll let you know what kind of things are going to happen with that.